Sugar is really so sweet. I never imagined that sweet things could be harmful.
As a child, my family farmed. We ate fresh food that we had grown and gathered. We were strong and healthy.
Then the crisis hit us. In search of a better life, we left the village and came to the city.
In some cases, life became easier. Instead of hard agricultural work, my father started driving a taxi.
And mother started working in a factory. We started doing a lot of sedentary work.
Our food also changed. We started buying fast food and bowls of confectioner's sugar. It was great, tasty, and very quick to get.
One day, I saw an advertisement for a diabetes test. The man on the ad looked just like my father.
I was surprised that my father had diabetes symptoms. He often got very thirsty, had blurred vision, and was very tired.
My father did not think he had any trouble, but his brother, suffering from a diabetic foot, prompted him to get tested. I understand this is a lot to process. We have a clear path forward, but it will require significant changes to your diet and daily routine.
We have to change for all of us.
The nurse was clear. Our lifestyle here is making us sick.
Grandmother always...
Look at these vibrant greens. So much better than packaged food.
And no more sugary drinks. Water for me now.
Cooking at home ensures we know exactly what we're eating.
Tastes, but good.
It's fresh. My body feels lighter already.
I feel stronger every day.
This morning walk gives us such a good start.
It's working.
These tomatoes just came in this morning.
Oh, they look wonderful. I'll take 2 kilos, please.
Remember to eat the right foods. Cook it yourself and stay active.
The family can also be healthy.
Start with broad arm circles like this to really warm up the shoulders.
That's it. Feel the stretch, everyone.
Uncle, it's possible to feel better. I've been there.
We can cook for you, Uncle. Small changes make a big difference. finished the whole portion, Father.
That's good. We need to keep him engaged now.
Just a little bit. See, like this.
It still hurts a little.
Small movements. That's how we start.
More goodness for you, Uncle.
Thank you, my dear.
Just a little further, Uncle. You're doing great.
It wasn't easy for me at first either. But it's worth it.
I see that now, brother.
Breathe in slowly through your nose and out through your mouth.
Good morning, everyone. I brought some fresh water.
Now, gently stir this until the vegetables are tender. Don't rush it.
Like this?
I feel like I have so much more energy these days.
Me too. Look at this.
Perhaps a touch more cinnamon?
This was our old farm before we moved to the city.
Grandmother was right. Fresh food and home cooking truly heal.
To health, to family, and to the wisdom that brought us here.